Welcome to AI to Learn. DCE Gaming Prompt Machine is a web app designed to help generate games related to the 10 domains of digital citizenship using vibe coding. The app can be used in 5 European languages: English, Spanish, Italian, French, and German. Prompt generation is guided by the panel on the left. First, you select the age group that will use the educational video game: kids, junior, or teens. Then you choose the technical output, which can be either HTML5 with JavaScript or React. The first option is preferable for dynamic games, where the character jumps, runs, and interacts. For a static or logic-based game, where the user interface, buttons, menus, inventories is the most important element, React is the better choice. At this point, one or more domains can be selected, but to avoid making the game too scattered, they must all belong to the same macro area, which are being online, online well-being, and online rights. The selectable game types include an interactive branching story, a board game, a 2D platform video game, an escape room, a social media simulator, and a quiz with gamification mechanics. You can also choose game mechanics such as scoring, energy with a limited number of lives, badges, a timer, and an inventory to store collected items. Inclusive technologies are essential, including text-to-speech, the use of dyslexia-friendly fonts, and high-contrast color schemes. All that remains is to copy the prompt generated on the right, paste it into any LLM, and wait for it to generate the code and the corresponding game preview. Don't forget to review what has been generated and, if necessary, ask the LLM to make the appropriate corrective changes.